Hi Mac users, this video will be about macOS Big Sur and how to install it. We'll cover the regular install, also known as upgrade, and we'll also touch upon the so-called clean installation. That one is much more tricky. The next few minutes will be fun. Let's go. Part 1. How to upgrade to macOS Big Sur. The first step is the preparation. You'll need to clean and back up your Mac. Well, because these things sometimes break. CleanMyMac X is a good tool to remove all system junk from my Mac. This will ensure that old system parts like logs, application leftovers, don't stand in the way. So let's start with a bit of cleaning. It took less than 2 minutes to wipe out all the garbage from my Mac. I used CleanMyMac X. The link to this really cool app is in the description. Now we will back up your Mac using Time Machine. It's found in the System Preferences. Here it is. Choose the drive where you will be storing the Time Machine backup. Give it some time. Now, let's finally upgrade your computer to macOS Big Sur. Click the Apple menu icon. It's found in the top left corner. By the way, if your Mac is running some ancient macOS version like High Sierra, you'll need to update your Mac through the App Store. It's located just below System Preferences. But if your Mac is like mine and running Catalina, you can go directly to System Preferences. Okay, System Preferences, and from there, you go to Software Updates. That little cogwheel. Can you see macOS Big Sur there? Hit Upgrade now. I know you can't wait to see the new OS, but downloads take time. Wait patiently. Finally, you shall see macOS Big Sur Installation Intro. Click Continue and you won't get lost. The whole installation business should take about a half an hour. Your Mac will be restarting a few times. Congrats! You're running Big Sur. Alright, let's rewind to our earlier point. Suppose you want to perform a clean install of macOS Big Sur. You'll erase everything that's on your drive, and only then will you run the install. So just in case, back up your Mac to some device because your data could be lost. Next, we'll need a bootable USB drive. A clean install is like starting a new life. No leftover files from your previous macOS, no problems. So, the bootable installer. Grab a USB drive you are ready to erase that has at least 16 gigabytes of storage on it. Now go to the App Store and search for macOS Big Sur. Click Get. Fix yourself a snack because it will take a while to download the update. Finally, you'll get into this intro screen. Don't rush to click Continue. In fact, you'll need to close this window for now. Go to the upper menu and click Quit Install macOS. Open your applications in the Finder. We want to make sure that the app called Install macOS Beta.app is now sitting in your applications. By the time you watch this, the name of this file will likely change, but the logic stays. Are you with me? What we'll do now is open Disk Utility with your USB drive connected to your Mac. In Disk Utility, choose your USB drive in the sidebar. Click Erase in the top menu. Make sure your drive remains untitled. This is important. Format it as macOS Journaled Extended. Click Erase once more. Now Terminal. We'll use a terminal command to mount a bootable USB and we'll specify your previously downloaded Big Sur installer as a source. Remember? The one that is in your applications. Now copy this very long command from the description below this video. Paste in the following command. Type in your admin password and press Return and Y to confirm the action. This command creates a bootable USB installer based on macOS Installer app, which we've previously placed in your applications. Great! Now you got a bootable USB installer with macOS Big Sur on it. It's your holy grail. Next, we'll erase your startup drive, and the only way your Mac gets back to life will be through that USB drive. It's time to wave goodbye to your current configuration. Again, you should have prepared the total backup of your Mac just in case. Connect the recently made USB drive to your computer, turn off your Mac, and hold down Command-R. Choose Disk Utility from the menu. Choose your main startup drive and click Erase. Well done, your Mac is now formatted. What you can do now, actually this is the only thing you can do now, is to clean install macOS Big Sur 11 from the connected USB installer drive. If it's not connected, connect the bootable USB installer now. 1. Go back to the original Disk Utility screen. If you can't return to Disk Utility, restart your Mac and hold down the Option key. 2. Click Install macOS and choose to install it from the selected USB drive. 3. Click on Install macOS. That's about it. You are running a clean install of your brand new macOS Big Sur. That road was so surreal. Sorry for the pun. And now, one more scenario. Suppose you want to get macOS Big Sur before the official release. This type of install is called public beta. You need to head over to Apple Beta Program website. The link is in the description. There you can download the installer package and run it just as I described in the first part of this video. Once your system is clean and new, you want to keep it that way. So I recommend that you install CleanMyMac X as an essential app to have on your Mac. It has a built-in antivirus and you can remove all sorts of temporary clutter. And who likes clutter anyway? The link is below this video. Folks, thanks for watching. We don't post too many videos, but only the ones that are helpful for your Mac. So subscribe.